How to apply for a business credit card with Discover on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need a business credit card, well here is how to apply for a Discover business card on desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here, you just have to click on the business and after that, you just have to click on credit cards. And there, you can browse the business card option and compare rewards and fees and then click apply now on the one you want and fill in your business information like a legal business name, EIN or social security number, business address and contact details. And with that, you need to enter owner information and financial details like annual revenue and estimated monthly spend. And after that, you just have to review the card items, terms, rates, and any fees, and then submit your application. And with that, you'll get an instant or near instant decision. And if approved, your card will arrive by mail in a few business days. And that's it. That's how you can apply for a business credit card with Discover on desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.